Okay, so welcome back to my channel, my little green birds. And as always, if you are brand new, welcome. Thank you so much for checking it out. And if you do not mind, don't forget to push that like, comment, follow, and subscribe button. And do not forget to turn on the notification bells so you know when a brand new video is up. So before we get started into this full array of what we are going to be going over in terms of the subject, yeah, just stay tuned. Okay, so how do you like my new intro? It is really awesome. I feel quarantine ready 2020. So if you guys love that face mask that I was wearing, I will link it down below in the description box, and that is by Dapper Renaissance, just to let you know. It's pretty straightforward what this video is all about. It is all about pre-shave oil and beard oil. So I'm just going to talk about the differences between the two, because sometimes people get a little confused, and in reality it's really not that far from each other in terms of how completely different they are. So I'm going to go with my number one go-to, okay? So this is by Anthony. This is the Pre-Shave and Conditioning Beard Oil. I really like this one a lot, and it's a major go-to because it is a pre-shave and it's also a beard conditioning oil. Now, the other thing, what I love about it, aside from the Calendula, because the Calendula is really good for inflammation and reducing redness of the skin. So the way how this works, before you put on your shave cream, you put a few drops of this product into your hands, rub the hands together after you exfoliated and cleansed, rub it on, and then you layer on. The reason for that, okay, is to help make the glide of the blade against your skin, or blades, depending if you're using a cartridge razor, it's there to make it smoother and comfortable in terms of rubbing a sharp blade against your skin. It just makes everything a lot smoother, and it makes it a little safer too, in a sense, because if it's rough and then it's starting to dig at the other layers of skin, because we have an X amount of layers. So yeah, that's pretty straightforward. It's a catch-22 if you literally think about it, meaning the logic. So I'm just gonna go over this one. Okay, so this is by Everyman Jack. This is probably my second major go-to. I'm taking my time with this one because they no longer make this collection right here. This was part of their premium shave collection, which they no longer have. Everything was priced at a different price point, and it was a lot higher quality. I haven't tried the pre-shave oils since, but that is something that I highly recommend. And both of these oils right here, they're both on the thicker side, because the thicker the oil is, for me personally, the smoother the shave. Now, the thinnest oil that I have, and I've tried liking this so many times, is by Viking's Blade. I love Viking's Blade. I think their razors are freaking phenomenal, but their pre-shave oil is not the best, okay? Because if you guys see, I'm going to show you the differences. So this is a very thin oil, and I don't mind the dropper. This oil is just very thin. God, what was up with that? Okay. I love the scent. It's very mild, okay? And it's just way too thin for me. So what I've been doing is I've been using it more as a beard conditioner. It's not going to help in terms of control, but it is better than nothing. The best way how to use this pre-shave oil is by using a non-lathering shave cream. I've noticed that it just reacts very differently. So, and if I haven't gone over, I'll show you how much thicker this oil is. So I love the fact that this oil, this container for Everyman Jack comes in a pump. So you just squeeze it, and it's like the perfect amount. I felt like with the Viking's Blade, I had to use a little more, and I had to reapply, and I don't like that. Oh my god, it's so good. But I'm not going to put any of the oil on my face. I'm just putting it on my beard. Now we're going to get into the beard oils. So this is one of my favorite beard oils. This is by Last Looks Grooming Co. And this is inspired by Twin Peaks. They do TV and movie inspired beard care products for men. And I absolutely freaking adore that. So this one is, like I said, called Black Lodge. And this one has a very nice cherry, coffee, and Washington forest scent. Now, what I love about this one, it's not too thin and it's not too thick. So it's a nice medium consistency. And I absolutely love the texture. The texture for me is everything. Now, the thing is about this one is that the fragrance and the essential oils will cancel out most of the more neutral scents because the coffee note is pretty high with this one. And I absolutely love it. And also, I have a code with them. So if you would like to save 10% off on your purchase when you go to Last Looks Grooming Co., just use the code GREENBIRD10. So yeah, and I will link that down below. And also, I'll leave a little third row infographic about it. Another really awesome beard oil is by Rugged and Dapper. I absolutely love Rugged and Dapper. Rugged and Dapper is literally amazing. So one of the top things I love about this beard oil is that the container is squeezable. So you can squeeze out the oil that you need. And to me, it's a little better than a dropper, okay? Because a dropper, you have to touch the rubber part and everything, and sometimes the dropper does not stay in your hands, especially if you're reapplying just in case you didn't use enough. Wow, actually that was a really good combo. So the Last Looks and the Rugged and Dapper mixed together has like a really nice kind of like odd pine coffee scent actually. So yeah, I absolutely love that. So that is something that I would highly recommend, the Rugged and Dapper one, in terms of the bottle, especially since it is squeezable. So if you guys want less fuss, then I would suggest that. Now, we're going to go over one of my all-time favorite beard oils, and it is by Nature Boy. Nature Boy is literally amazing and phenomenal. This is a beard oil that has the best consistency that I have felt so far. It is more on the medium side, and the scent is very neutral, meaning that I feel like it can go with almost every single thing that I have in terms of getting ready. If I wanted to go with a Lavender Extreme by Tom Ford, awesome, works. If I want to go with Ombre Leather by Tom Ford, awesome, it works. And if I want to go with Yves Saint Laurent Cologne, awesome, it works. That is something that I look for in terms of a cohesive scent and story, in terms of the way how I present myself. So that is something that I highly, highly recommend, this product right here. So absolutely, like, freaking love it. It has like a slight vanilla scent, and it has enough pine scent to just make it very cohesive. So with that being said, that was pretty much it. I just wanted to go over beard oil and pre-shave oils, okay? Because like we all know that the beard oil is there to condition your beard, okay? It's not there to really help control and maintain the look. It is there to soften the facial hair. And like, once again, when it comes down to the pre-shave oil, it is all about making your shave smoother. Now, but I hope you guys found this information very valuable and very useful. This is part of a shorter series I'm going to be doing on my YouTube channel. If you like what you just saw, and if you loved everything that I was talking about, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And also, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell. With that being said, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.